Remember to click the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos.
I made 3 small squares of dough colored clay, this one. And I'm going to take my pastel colors. First I'm going to use this yellow, then a tiny bit of this brown, then this reddish thing, and you can use a little of this one if you liked it to look a bit burnt. This is a square made of a tiny bit of yellow and a little white, and then I cut it out and I have it in a thicker size than the cakes. And I'm just going to place that on top of one of these cakes. Okay, I'm going to take a little of my baking bond to do so. And I'm placing this on top of the cake here. And I'm using a little ball tool to make a tiny bit of structure on the sides of this little one. Making sure it sticks nicely together. And for these two I have a tiny piece of dough colored clay that I'm just rolling into a tiny ball. And I'm going to squeeze it flat and place it here. Again, I'm going to use a tiny bit of baking bond. Placing this little ball on there, and then this little part on top. That could be your s'more if you did it with a little white piece, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take some of my icing here that I pre-made for some time ago, and I'm going to take that and put it in between these two layers here. And you can make small cookies like this just like you want to. You can make a chocolate fillings here instead, and you can make this part red or light brown, and you can make the cookies brown or whatever color you like. The only thing I did on the cookie, I scratched the sides a bit so it looks like cake things, and that's what I did to those before I gave it some coloring. So now all there is left to do is decorate these cakes a little. So I have a few raspberries here and a few nuts here. Yeah, now it's time to decorate, and I have all these sauces. There is strawberry milk, caramel and orange sauce, and then I have a blue and a yellow icing. And I'm going to need to use a few of these on some of these cakes. Let's see, I have the strawberry here. And it's brand new, so it's not opened yet. So I have a strawberry here, and I'm going to use that on this one. And you can decorate these just like you feel like. It's all up to you. And I'm going to take one of these raspberries here and place that right on top of this one. I have the nuts right there. I'm going to use those. Let's take some caramel. Use that on this one. And I want it out in the corners. And I'm going to take one of my nuts here and place that on top. Like that. But you can decorate these just like you want to. This is just one way to do it, and if you do it this way, let them dry, and that's all there is to this little tiny craft. You can put them on a plate or whatever you like to. So I hope you like this, and happy crafting.